श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्य कवितार्के केसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा कृते ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवोपास्महे ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवोपास्महे विशुद्धविज्ञानघनस्वरूपं विज्ञानश्रावणप्रदेशं दयानिधिं देहभृतां शरण्यं देवं हयग्रीवं प्रपद्ये शन्दुमे देवदुरातुदीयासङ्गातुराकटाक्षाः सूत्रेषु पुंसामृतं शृणन्तीं सरस्वतीं संस्कृतकामधेनुं विशेषविद्वार्षदेशनाथैर्जगदोष्टीसमरामणेषु जिगीषतो मे कवितार्केऽत्रान्वामृतमानोहृदेयाः व्याख्यामुद्रां करसरसते पुस्तकं शृङ्गदत्ते विद्रह्मस्फटिकरुद्रे प्रदीकेन षण्णः अम्लानश्वेरं दुर्हृदयं प्लावयन्ः आविर्भूयादनकमयिमा मनसेवगधीशः. Singular, dual, plural of the following words in Panchami Vibhakti. Okay. First word is Aja. So I will change this to Aja. Aja is Ajaha. Ajau, Ajaha. Okay. Next, Vatika. Vatika, Vatike, Vatika. Next, Lata. Sorry, I have done big mistake. I've done a big mistake. It's Panchami Vibhakti. So Ajad, Ajabhyam, Ajabhyam, Ajebhyam. Ajad, Ajabhyam, Ajebhyam. Vatika becomes Vatikayaha. Vatikabhyam, Vatikabhyam, Vatikabhyam. Next, Latayaha, Latabhyam, Latabhyah. Parvata, Parvatat. Okay, Parvatat, Akaranta. So it is like Aja Shabdarupa. Okay, Parvatabhyam, Parvatebhyah. Okay, not Tabhyah. Okay, Latabhyah. See, we have to see the difference. Okay, we have to see the difference. This is Akaranta. Okay, this is Akaranta. Aja Shabdarupam, Parvata Shabdarupam, and Vriksha Shabdarupam. All three are Akaranta. Whereas these two are Akaranta. These two are Akaranta. So should be very careful. Parvatat, Parvatabhyam, Parvatebhyah. Last means Vrikshat, Vriksha Shabdarupam. Vrikshat, Vrikshabhyam, Vrikshebhyam. Okay? Vrikshat, Vrikshabhyam, Vrikshebhyam. This Aja, Parvata, Vriksha. See, all are same. Okay? What is the meaning of all this? What is the meaning of this? What is the preposition used? Meaning means what? Preposition. What is the preposition used here? From, than. Okay? So Ajad, from a goat, than a goat. Same way, from two goats, than two goats. Ajebhyah, from many goats, than many goats. That's the meaning. Okay? Than, from than. Then when it comes to Vatika Yaha, from the Vatika. Yaha, This yaha is from. Okay. Yaha. Yaha is from. Okay. At, Parvatat. Word ending with here only Sanskrit becomes difficult. This proportion is not one in Sanskrit. Okay? Many. Okay? It looks like suffixes, but in English they are prepositions. From and then you have to use two different. Ajabhyam, Vatikabhyam, Latabhyam, Parvatabhyam, Vrikshabhyam. These are all Dvivachanam. Whereas Bahuvachanam changes to Ajebhyaha, Vatikabhyaha, not Vatikebhyaha. Okay? Latabhyaha, but Parvatebhyaha, not Parvatabhyaha. You see the difference between Pullinga and Strilinga. Vrikshebhyaha, but Bhyaha is common. But whether it is Ajabhyaha, Ajebhyaha. Ajabhyaha means Ajabhyaha is Strilinga. Aja, Aje, Ajaha, Strilinga. Okay, feminine gender. Vatikabhyaha is Strilinga. You cannot take it Vatikebhyaha, not Latebhyaha. Okay, so we should be very careful in this. Swami, there were another pair padi.
Adiyen. Ajat, Ajabhyam, Ajebhyaha. Vatika, Vatikayaha, Vatikayaha, Vatikabhyam, Vatikabhyaha. Latayaha, Latabhyam, Latabhyaha. Parvatat, Parvatabhyam, Parvatebhyaha. Vrikshat, Vrikshabhyam, Vrikshebhyaha. Adiyen Dhanyas.
Ajat, Ajabhyam, Ajebhyah. Vatika, Vatikayaha, Vatikabhyam, Vatikabhyah. Lata, Latayaha, Latabhyam, Latabhyah. Parvat, Parvatat, Parvatabhyam, Parvatebhyah. Vriksha, Vrikshat, Vrikshabhyam, Vrikshebhyah. Adiyen Dhanyos.
Aj, Ajat, Ajabhyam, Ajebhyah. Vatika, Vatikayaha, Vatikabhyam, Vatikabhyah. Latha, Lathayaha, Lathabhyam, Lathabhyah. Parvat, Parvatat, Parvatabhyam, Parvatebhyah. Vriksha, Vrikshat, Vrikshabhyam, Vrikshebhyah. Adiyen Dhanyas.
Vartalapaha, conversation. Okay. This those who have done 0, they have done this. Those who have not done 0, they will do. But now everyone will do. Okay. There are two people converse here. So you have to start conversing in Sanskrit. That's the idea. Okay. Ram and Ramesh. Right? Let me explain the meaning, then you will start. You will start doing. Okay. If brother and sisters are there, you can convert this Ram and Ramesh and everything, and you can talk accordingly. Okay. Let me read and explain first. Namaste, Swagata. Okay. Let me write Namaste. Namaste means hello. Okay. Or salutations. Hi. Hi. Namaste means actually salutations. We don't say hello, hi, everything. It's not there in our. We say Namaste means salutations. Let me write salutations. Salutations or greetings. No, salutations. Swagata, welcome. Namaste, again, salutations. Happy Kushlam? Are you fine? Or how are you? How are you? Next, Sarvam Kushalam. Mama Nama Ramaha. Sarvam Kushalam. Everything fine. All fine, already. All fine. All fine. My name is Ram. Mama Nama Ramaha. Tava Nama Kim. What is your name? Then Ramesh is telling, my name My name is Ramesh. My father's name is Mr. Rohit. Yeah, Shriman. Mr. Rohit. Next. Tava Janakasya nama kim? What is your father's name? What is your father's name? What is your father's name? Mama Janakasya nama Shriman Sundaraha. My father's name is Mr. Sundar. Mama Jananyaha nama Srimati Rekha. My mother's name is Srimati or Mrs. Rekha. Rekha. Tava Jananyaha nama kim? What is your mother's name? What is your mother's name? What's your mother's name? Mama Jananyaha nama Srimati Radha. My mother's name is Srimati Radha. Mama Sahodarasya nama Vivekaha asti. My brother's name is Vivek. Okay. Tava Sahodarasya nama kim? What is your brother's name? Mama Sahodarasya nama Vivekaha. My brother, both brothers' name is, my brother's name is Vivek. So he is also Vivek, they are also Vivek. Mama Swasuhu nama, my sister's name. Okay. Name is Sheila. My sister's name is Sheila. Tava Swasuhu nama kim? What is your sister's name? What is your sister's name? Mama Swasuhu nama Priyanka. My sister's name is Priyanka. Tvam kutra vasasi? Where do you live? Aham Bharatadeshe Chennai Nagare Tyagaraja Nagare vasami. I live in T Nagar. I live in T Nagar. No, T Nagar. T Nagar is Tyagaraja. T Nagar, Chennai, India. Aham Tiruchi Nagare Vivekananda. Tvam kutra vasati? Where do you live? Where do you live? Sorry, study. Patasi. Where do you study? Where do you study? Aham, I study in Vivekananda Vidyalaya, Trichy. Shobhanam, good. Astu punaha milamaha. Okay, let us meet again. Punaha milamaha. Okay. Punaha means again. Astu Shobhanam Punardashnaya. Good. We meet. That's all. Now students can converse. I hope you have written the meaning. Yeah. Swami, ஒரு 4 பசங்க படிக்கிட்டாரு.
அடியே நமஸ்காரம் அடியே. रामः नमस्ते स्वागतम् रमेशः नमस्ते अपि कुशलम् रामः सर्वकुशलम् मम नाम रामः तव नाम किम् रमेशः मम नाम रमेशः। मम जनकस्य नाम श्रीमान् रोहितः। तव जनकस्य नाम किम्? रामः। मम जनकस्य नाम श्रीमान् सुन्दरः। मम जनन्याः नाम श्रीमती रेखा। तव जनन्याः नाम किम्? रमेशः। मम जनन्याः नाम श्रीमती राधा अस्ति। मम सहोदरस्य नाम विवेकः अस्ति। तव सहोदरस्य नाम किम्? मम सहोदरस्य नाम विवेकः। मम श्वशुः नाम शीला। तव श्वशुः नाम किम्? रमेशः। मम श्वशुः नाम प्रियङ्का। त्वं कुत्र वसासि? रामः। अहं भारतदेशे चेन्नै नगरे त्यागराजनगरे वसामि। त्वं कुत्र पठसि? रमेशः। अहं तिरुचिनगरे विवेकानन्दविद्यालये पठामि। रामः। शोभनम्। अस्तु पुनः मिलामः। रमेशः। अस्तु शोभनम्। पुनर्दर्शनाय।
नमस्ते, स्वागतम। Salutations, welcome. Namaste, Api Kushalam. Salutations, how are you? Sarvam Kushalam. Mama nama Ramah. Tava nama Kim? I'm fine. My name is Ram. What is your name? Mama nama Ramesha. Mama Janakasya nama Shriman Rohitah. My name is Ramesh. My father's name is Mr. Rohit. Tava Janakasya nama Kim. What is your father's name? Mama Janakasya nama Shriman Sundar. तव जनन्या नाम श्रीमती रेखा. My mother's name is Srimati Rekha. तव जनन्याः नाम किम्? What is your mother's name? मम जनन्याः नाम श्रीमती राधा अस्ति. My mother's name is Srimati Radha. What is second again? मम सहोदरस्य नाम विवेकः अस्ति. तव सहोदरस्य नाम किम्? My brother's name is Vivek. What is your brother's name? मम सहोदरस्य नाम विवेकः. मम श्वशुः नाम शीला. तव श्वशुः नाम किम्? What is your sister's name? मम श्वशुः नाम प्रियङ्का. My sister's name is प्रियङ्का. त्वं कुत्र वससि? Where do you live? अहं भारतदेशे चेन्नै नगरे त्यागराजनगरे पठामि त्वं कुत्र पठसि I live in Srinagar, Chennai, India. त्वं कुत्र पठसि हम श्रीनगर नगरे विवेकानंद विद्यालये पठामि I study in Vivekananda Vidyalaya, Tiruchi, Ramashoganam, Asti Punah Milamah. Good. Okay, let's do it again. Asti Punah.
Okay. Now school. Okay. Now school. So about school. See, you have to. Two are conversing here. Mala and Sita. Two are conversing. Tvam kutra pathasi. Where do you study? Aham Tiruchi Nagare Vivekananda Vidyalaya Pathami. I study in Vivekananda Vidyalaya in Trichy. You know Trichy, the place Trichy in Chennai, in Tamil Nadu? Trichy. Tiruchirappalli is the name of the city. It's a beautiful city. Close to Srirangam. You know this? Srirangam Ranganatha temple. Very close to it. Okay, adjacent to it. Next. Tvam kasyam kakshayam padati. In which class do you study? In which class do you study? Tvam kasyam kakshayam. This is Saptami Vibhakti. Okay? Kasyam kakshayam Saptami. In which class do you study? Aham Navama kakshayam pathami. I study in 9th standard. 9th standard. Okay. Mala. Tava tritiya bhasha ka. What is your third language? What is your third language in the school? Okay. Third language in the school. Mama tritiya bhasha Sanskritam eva asti. My third language is Sanskrit. Okay. My third language is Sanskrit. Tava kakshayam. Okay, kakshayam we have seen in the class. Okay. The class. Okay. Tava kakshayam kati. Kati means how many? How many number? Okay. Kati chhatraha sanskritam patanti. How many students study Sanskrit in your class? How many students learn Sanskrit? Okay. How many students? Actually, you can make it learn Sanskrit in your class. Mama kakshayam chatvarimshat chhatraha. Chatvarimshat is a number. Okay. Chatvarimshat means 40. Okay. Mama kakshayam chatvarimshat chhatraha pathanti. 40 students study in my class. 40 students study in my class. Tava vidyalayasya pustakalayah kidrishaha. Kidrishaha means how, what kind. With description. Okay. Kidrishaha. How is your school's library? How is your school's library? Tava vidyalayasya pustakalayah. Your school's library, Kirshaha, how is that? Then, Mama Vidyalayasya Pustakalayaha, Ati Vishalaha. Ati Vishala means very big. Okay? Very big. Okay, my school's library, is very big. Okay? It's very big. My school's library is very big. Tatra kati pustakani santi. How many books are there? How many books are there? Kati. Kati means number. How many? Kati means how many. Tatra makin. Makin means more or less, approximately. Sahasrani. Trimshat sahasrani pustakani santi. There are approximately, about, there are 30,000 books. Books are there approximately. Approximately. Mahyam pustakalayaha ativa rochate. Mahyam for me. Mahyam means for me. Mahyam pustakalayaha ativa rochate. So we have done Ruchdat, okay? We have done Ruchdat separately. Mahyam for me. Okay? I like the library very much. Okay? Mahyam pustakalayaha ativa rochate. Okay. Hope you all have noted the meaning. Please read this.
Again. Mala. Tvam kutra pathasi? Sita. Aham Tiruchinagare Vivekananda Vidyalaye patami. Mala. Tvam kasyam kakshayam pathasi? Sita. Aham navama kakshayam pathami. Mala. Tava tritiya bhasha ka asti? Sita. Mama tritiya bhasha संस्कृतमेव. माला. तव कक्षायां कति छात्राः संस्कृतं पठन्ति? सीता. मम कक्षायां 40 छात्राः पठन्ति. तव विद्यालयस्य पुस्तकालयः कीदृशः अस्ति? मम मम विद्यालयस्य पुस्तकालयः अतिविशालः अस्ति. माला. तत्र कति पुस्तकानि सन्ति? सीता. तत्र माकिं 30,000 पुस्तकानि सन्ति. मह्यं पुस्तकालयः अतीव रोचते. नमस्कारं डियन्.
नमस्कारं.
त्वं कुत्र पठसि? Where do you study? अहं तिरुचीनगरे विवेकानन्दविद्यालये पठामि. I study in Vivekananda Vidyalaya in Trichy. त्वं कस्यां कक्षायां पठसि? In which do you study? अहं नवमकक्षायां पठामि. I study in 9th standard. तव तृतीया भाषा का अस्ति? What is your third language? मम तृतीया भाषा संस्कृतम् एव अस्ति. My third language is Sanskrit. तव कक्षायां कति छात्राः संस्कृतं पठन्ति? How many students learn Sanskrit in your class? मम कक्षायां 40 छात्राः पठन्ति. 40 students study in my class. तव विद्यालयस्य पुस्तकालयः कीदृशः अस्ति? How is your school's library? मम विद्यालयस्य पुस्तकालयः अति विशालः अस्ति. My school library is very big. तत्र कति पुस्तकानि सन्ति? How many books are there? तत्र माकिं 30,000 पुस्तकानि सन्ति. 30,000 पुस्तकानि सन्ति. There are 30,000 books are there approximately. मह्यं पुस्तकालयः अतीव रोचते. I like the library very much. धन्यवादः. त्वं कुत्र पठसि? Where do you study? अहं तिरुचीनगरे विवेकानन्द विद्यालये पठामि. I study in Vivekananda Vidyalaya in Trichy. Mala. Tvam kasyam kashayam patasi? In which do you study? Sita, aham navam kashayam patami. I am studying in 9th standard. Mala, tava tritiya bhasha ka asti. What is your third language? Sita, mama tritiya bhasha sanskritam eva asti. My third language is Sanskrit. Mala, tvam kashayam kati chhatraha sanskritam patiti. How many students learn Sanskrit in your class? Sita, mama kashayam chatvari chatvari chatvarimshat chhatraha patanti. 40 students study in my class. Mala, tava vidyalayasya पुस्तकालयः कीदृशः अस्ति? How is your school's library? Sita, मम विद्यालयस्य पुस्तकालयः अति विशालः अस्ति. My school's library is very big. Mala, tatra kita pustakani santi. How many books are there? Sita, tatra makim trishat trimshat sahasrani pustakani santi. There are 30,000 books are there approximately. मह्यं पुस्तकालयः अतीव रोचते. I like the library very much. Dhanush maybe.
Now Purva and Antara talking on garden. Okay, Antara and Apurva. Okay, both are talking on garden. Okay, garden. Aye Apurve. Aye means just call it hi. Now hi. Okay, hi. Apurva. Tvam idanim kutta gacchati. Where do you go now? Where do you go now? Idanim. Okay, idanim means now. Hala antare. No, hala. Hello. Hello we see, no? Hello. Hello antare. Hello. Hello antara. Now I go to garden. Kim tvam maya saha agacchasi? Do you come with me? Kutra asti udyanam? Where is the garden? Mama grihasya samipe eva ekam udyanam. There is a garden near my house. Aham tatreva gacchami. I go there. Noted? Note the meaning. Next. Tatra kim asti? What is there? The udyan. Okay? What is there? The garden. Okay? Tatra vividhaha mahavrikshaha. There are varieties of mahavrikshaha, big trees and small trees. Okay? There are varieties of big and small trees. Tatra vriksheshu vividhaha khagaha vasanti. Tatra there birds live. Khagaha vasanti. Vividhaha khagaha. Different birds. Okay? Different birds live on trees. Vriksheshu on trees. Tatra ke agachanti. Ke means who come there. तत्र प्रातः सायं च जनाः भ्रमणाय आगच्छन्ति. People come there. जनाः people आगच्छन्ति. Come there in the morning. People come there in the morning and evening. Okay. Evening. बालकाः अपि तत्र क्रीडन्ति. Children also play there. Children also play there. उद्यानस्य लाभः कः? What is the benefit of लाभः? What is the benefit? What is the benefit of a garden? What is the benefit of a garden? Then उद्याने वातावरणं शुद्धमस्ति. Okay, the environment is clean in the garden. वायुः अपि शुद्धः अस्ति. Air also clean. Air also clean. Patitamaya. Yes, I have read. Patitamaya. I have read. Yes, means that. That I have read that. Udhyanam swasthyavartakam. Garden, okay, develops our health. Garden develops our health. Patitam maya. I have read, yes, that Udhyanam swasthyavartakam. Swasthya means good health. Okay, swasthyavartakam develops our health. Next, ahamapi tvaya sah agacchami. I also come with you. Tvaya sah with you. Okay, tvaya sah with you. Yeah. Avashyam agacchatu. Come, sure, come. Come with me. Gacchavaha. Let us go. It's a small conversation. Read it. We have to start from good. Yeah. Time இருக்கிறவர்கள் படிக்கட்டும். ஒரு 2 பேர் படிச்சாலே போதும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். டைம் படிக்கட்டும். நமஸ்காரம்.
अये अपूर्वा त्वम् इदानीं कुत्र गच्छसि? हे अपूर्वा, where do you go now? हला अन्तरे अहम् इदानीम् उद्यानं गच्छामि. Hello Antara, now I go to garden. किं त्वं मया सह आगच्छसि? Do you come with me? कुत्र अस्ति उद्यानं? Where is the garden? मम गृहस्य समीपे एव एकम् उद्यानम् अस्ति. अहं तत्रैव गच्छामि. There is a garden near my home. I go there. तत्र किम् अस्ति? What is there? तत्र विविधाः महावृक्षाः बालवृक्षाः सन्ति. There are varieties of big and small trees. तत्र वृक्षेषु विविधाः खगाः वसन्ति. There are different birds live on trees. तत्र के आगच्छन्ति. Who come there? तत्र प्रातः सायं च जनाः भ्रमणाय आगच्छन्ति. बालकाः अपि तत्र क्रीडन्ति. People come there in the morning and evening. Children also play there. उद्यानस्य लाभः कः अस्ति? What is the benefit of a garden? उद्याने वातावरणं शुद्धम् अस्ति. वायुः अपि शुद्धः अस्ति. The environment is clean in the garden and also clean. पठितं मया यत् उद्यानं स्वास्थ्यवर्धकम् अस्ति. I have read that garden develops our health. अहमपि त्वया सह आगच्छामि. I also come with you. अवश्यम् आगच्छतु. गच्छावः. For come with me. Let us go again.
धन्यवाद. निकला
अडियन स्वामी.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे कामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. सर्वत्ररतु दुर्गाणि, सर्वो भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, सर्वकामानवाप्नोतु, सर्वत्र नन्दतु. ओम शांति शांति शांति. धन्यवादः. शुभरात्रिः. पुनर्मिलामः.